Mastering politeness in English. I am kind. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to dive into a beautiful aspect of the English language and culture, expressing kindness. The phrase we're focusing on is, I am kind. But what does it truly mean? And how can you use it to improve your English communication? Let's get into it and find out. The phrase, I am kind, is an affirmation of one's character. Kind refers to a quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate. When you say, I am kind, you are describing yourself as someone who cares about others' feelings and well-being. Using the phrase, I am kind, doesn't just inform someone about your personality, it also sets an expectation. It tells the listener that you are approachable and empathetic. It's a trait that's highly valued in many societies and cultures, and claiming it is a commitment to act accordingly. You can use this phrase in several scenarios. When introducing yourself in a situation where your personality is relevant, like in a job interview. In a discussion where you are expressing how you handled a situation, you can say, I am kind because I helped, when you're reassuring someone that they can rely on you. Sometimes, saying, I am kind, directly can sound a bit boastful. So, it's important to learn some variations. I strive to be kind. I believe in being kind. Kindness is important to me. These phrases are more humble and reflective, and they still convey the importance of kindness in your character. Remember, actions speak louder than words. Saying, I am kind, is only as true as the kindness you show. Engage in acts of kindness, like helping others without expecting anything in return, and use kind language. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, I am kind, and its use in English communication. Kindness is a universal language in itself, and by using it effectively, you make the world a better place. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep being kind. Until next time, happy learning!